I've come here today because this is a major employer right here in our constituency, and it has a huge impact on our local economy. And some of the things that are produced here we see all over the world, and it's a really proud moment for me to come and experience this here in Hartlepool, because we've got so much to be proud of in our town, the industry that we're trying to grow and build. And I think Tata Steel is doing an exceptional job supporting Hartlepool workforces, supporting our community. To hear about the investment that's happened here in the works, the plans for the future, the growth that they want to see here is incredibly exciting. I'm really hopeful that we're going to see steel produced here in Hartlepool for many, many years to come. And some of the things that the steel from Hartlepool goes into makes me so proud. I've heard about developments right across the world that's taking steel from our town, and that's a huge thing to be proud of here in Hartlepool, and I think it's an incredibly impressive operation. I think this country went through a period of massive deindustrialisation, and it was towns like Hartlepool that suffered that. I think we're now going to go through a period of reindustrialisation, a proper industrial strategy for the first time in a generation, linked to our skills agenda. It has to be towns like ours that benefit from that. So I'm really hopeful for the future. There's a lot on the horizon. It's going to be really exciting. I want to put Hartlepool on the map as part of that exciting future, and I think Tata Steel will be part of that. Everyone I've met here today has been extraordinary. The talent, the skill, the ability is just exemplary. My job as their MP is to secure the future of steel in Hartlepool, to grow this business so there's more employees here going forward, and to ensure that they've got a livelihood right up into the future. They should be so proud of what they do, and I'm really proud of them, and I'll always be on their side.